How to cash out on Temu. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Misnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can cash out on Temu. Now you can easily cash out on Temu, but first things first, what you'll have to do is you want to open up your Temu application. You want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, the U option, and then you want to tap on the settings option here first. Now let me go ahead and do this first. So here you want to head into settings, and under country and region you want to make sure that you select US. You'll find it at the bottom of your screen. Now once you select US, you'll get this option that says under your U option you'll get earn credits and free gifts. You want to tap on it. Now here you can see various offers, and there you'll see various events. You want to tap on it and you want to complete it. Once you complete particular earn and such, you can see your refer and earn, and once you complete it and once you earn enough cash there along on this item, you'll get the option to redeem it and you'll be able to use it. You'll see the redeem option there. So this way you can cash out on Temu. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.